What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck. And today what we're going to talk about is the August update. I just got the August security patch for this device yesterday. We're going to talk about that. It's not the update that we all wanted, so let's just get into it. Okay, YouTube, so this is the S24 Ultra I've been using since they dropped earlier this year. Just got the August update. Now, as you guys know, we've all been waiting for a camera update for this device, which didn't happen. I feel like that camera update may be baked into One UI 6.1.1. Now, that's what's on the newest foldables from Samsung, the Z Flip 6 and the Z Fold 6. So, instead of getting a big update this month, we got a security patch. So I'm really hoping that eventually we will get One UI 6.1.1 next month, because we also literally on the dawn of One UI 7.0. So this month we just got a security patch, which is still important because there's still some critical vulnerabilities going on with this device and all Android devices that needed to be updated. So here's the update right here, guys, that I installed yesterday. And as you can see, 6.1 is 467 megabytes. Like I said, there are some critical vulnerabilities that was fixed, so you should be updating so your device is not vulnerable. But as you can see, it also says device stability improvements, bug fixes, new and or enhanced features, further improvements to performance to get you the best from your device. Please keep your device up to date and regularly check for software updates. So it's not the update that we all been looking for, but definitely important to update your device this month. Now, as far as the vulnerability goes, shout out to 9to5 Google. This is where I got the actual information about the vulnerabilities, and this is across all Android devices that need to be fixed. So this is definitely something serious because it's considered critical. So definitely update your device. I'll put a link to this article down in the description of the video. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm growing impatient with Samsung and this S24 Ultra because I do want to see some updates to the camera, but I understand that doing a large camera update and doing an update for One UI 6.1.1 should be baked in together. So hopefully next month we'll have a 6.1.1 and we'll have some new features across all the older Samsung devices, like this S24 Ultra, my Fold 5 from last year, Flip 5. You know, Samsung has been really good about bringing all the devices along when they do updates or introduce new AI features. It's your boy BG Tech Life, just making sure that you update your device. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.